Building a gold investment portfolio for beginners. Gold has been a symbol of wealth and security for centuries. Today, it remains a valuable asset for protecting finances from inflation and market volatility. If you're new to investing, building a gold investment portfolio can help you diversify and safeguard your wealth. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why invest in gold? 1. Hedge against inflation. Gold retains value even when currencies lose purchasing power. 2. Portfolio diversification. It balances the risks of stocks and bonds. 3. Safe haven asset. Gold performs well during economic downturns. Types of gold investments. 1. Physical gold, coins, bars, or bullion offer direct ownership but need secure storage. 2. Gold ETFs, exchange-traded funds track gold prices, offering an easy and liquid investment. 3. Gold mining stocks. Investing in gold companies can bring higher returns but involves market risks. 4. Gold mutual funds. These funds invest in a mix of gold-related assets. 5. Digital gold. Buy and store gold electronically via trusted platforms. How to start investing. 1. Set your goals. Decide if you want stability, growth, or diversification. 2. Allocate wisely. Experts recommend 5 to 10% of your portfolio in gold. 3. Research options. Compare fees, storage, and performance before investing. 4. Follow market trends. Stay informed about economic factors affecting gold prices. 5. Diversify. Combine different types of gold investments for balance. 6. Secure your holdings. Choose reputable dealers and safe storage options. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Overinvesting and neglecting other assets. 2. Ignoring costs like storage or transaction fees. 3. Making emotional decisions based on short-term price changes. By investing in gold strategically, you can build a strong financial future. Start small, stay informed, and grow your portfolio wisely. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.